Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Conrad sangma habaya keren bat kinong thok khubor hadin ke jingelang pedang burom ya u80 Mondal sha ka Seng ulaong hakabaya day bat ka jing penyang ya u80 Mondal napo ka Phulbari constituency kalong ka ka bakum ka Seng ka Shim bakalong ka Jingkyrkhu bat haba kelipat hakabaya day bat ka jing penduk tiket ya unong mi khmat bamenta na Phulbari constituency USG Estamur Mominin nakaliang jong Conrad sangma ulaong bakum ka Seng ngimshim la shet kelaya ki khot jong ka Seng baru uno nong mi khmat ubadan hapo ka Seng un long bat hi ud khot jong ka Seng kat kum ka jing kwa jong u shushu sangma ulaong ru ba ka jing penyang ya Mondal napo ka Phulbari constituency kalong ban pan klan shushu ya ki kam jong ka party barhaba keli sakat nongut ki khot jong ka Seng ki bandu tiket nakaliang jong Conrad sangma ula pentip ba ampat la bantip ya kata.
No question of any betrayal as such. Obviously, for the party, we have to look at all angles. We have to look at all aspects of the upcoming elections. We are not the only political party that does this. Does this or has to do or take decisions like this. These are not easy decisions. I'm not saying it's very simple for us to just decide and just move forward and not give a ticket to somebody. It's very tough. But as a leader of the party and as the president of the party, I have certain responsibilities to ensure that we take the party forward in the coming elections in its best possible way. And therefore some tough decisions have to be taken and we have to do it. This does not mean we have anything against anybody. And as I mentioned, there are many political parties in the country. You will always find large, big parties. They also have denied ticket to many sitting MLAs, and that happens. Is it the best thing? Well, it's not, because it's not easy for us to decide. But as I said, we have to take tough decisions in keeping in mind the larger interests of the state, the larger interests of the party. That's his prediction. I cannot say anything about it. Maybe he's predicting about TMC himself. I don't know which predictions he's doing. But I don't know whether they will also touch that much also or not. But we'll wait and see. He has just entered now. In fact, to be very frank, we have now received him. He has to now go back to West Garo Hills district and formally get the primary membership through, so that we cannot do it here. So all these procedures are still left. Allow us to do those procedures. Allow us to discuss and talk, and then we'll decide on how to move forward.
So how many more prominent leaders that we
Let's wait and
to
see.
join
Let's not jump the gun right now. Let's wait and see. Let's work. I think what is important is that a senior person like Shri Mondalji has joined, a person who has vast experience, and I'm sure that his experience will be of huge benefit to the party and to the people of the state as well. Procedures work is that once a particular candidate is elected for that term, till the end of the term, the person will be belonging to that particular political party. And as the term ends, the affiliation ends. And the only way for the concerned person to de-affiliate from the party is to either have the 2/3 majority and merge into another political party, which is a defection, and or the person has to resign, which some MLAs have resigned recently, and then they're free to join any other party. So that will be a decision that will have to be made by the particular individual. Now, what we have said is that when the 2023 elections are announced, as and when the nomination papers come out, it will be Mr. A.T. Mondal who will be filing the nomination as the independent.
What will make you to invite A.T. Mondal to the party? Because you already have a sitting MLA.
There are many.
He has got failures on him as a.
No, I don't want to comment on anybody's individual work or not work or whatever it may be. Maybe this is not the time to talk about all of that. I wish him the very best. But I think we have made our own political, surveys and calculations, and we feel strongly that at this point in time, that the entry of A.T. Mondal into the National People's Party will boost the party, and also that we feel strongly that the possibility of fighting this election under his candidature will be much more stronger. And that's the reason why we have approached, we've discussed, and we have decided to move forward in that way.